Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog again. Today I have to make the box clean for the baby quails here. Oh my goodness, one is coming out already, but I have it. Take a look, how cute. Hi baby. I think it's shocked too, so I want to put them here inside of this box here. So they can, I will put you on down, so you cannot fall down again. One moment, I have to open my door here. I hope it's working with one hand, because I made a little ring here so that it stays open. So let's put all these baby quails here. Take a look. Oh, so cute. So that I can make it clean properly. Oh, the youngest is already jumping around too. No, you stay with me now. So take a look. Take a look. Whoa. Yeah. It's a cute one, huh? And the long feet. Take a look. The long feet. Oh my goodness. Legs, sorry. Of course they are legs. So we take the next one. Who is the next one from you? The smallest one is jumping around a lot here. This one is a cute one too. Take a look. And he or she, I don't know at the moment, has two colors of legs here. So we have to be a bit faster now. Ja, alles gut. Alles gut, mein Scheißerle. No. Come here. Come here. Take a look. I'm a cute one too. Yeah. Go here inside. Ja, alles gut, Scheißerle. Huh? So, this is one, I think this one is the smallest one here. The two smallest one. No, you come here now. Come on. Yeah. Take a look. This one is, I think it's the second smallest here. And this one is the smallest, I think. No. Stay. Come here. No. It's very fast, this small one here. But I got it. Take a look. Hey, I'm the smallest. Yeah, the heart is bumping now. So I have to put outside all these things here now. The waterer. I put a stone on it so that it's not shaking and making everything wet here. Then I have to clean the waterer here. And of course the feeder too here. But first of all, I will make it new here inside so that I can put the remaining food on the ground and they can already pick the remaining food here. I think I will make this one clean again too. So I was already putting a newspaper here under the one here under the kitchen paper, so that I can make it clean easier. And as you can see, it was a good idea to do this. So let's make it clean. One moment. So all the shit is out now, and now I want to clean it with baby cleaning tissues. I still have them here, although my kids are already grown up, so that I don't need it normally, but for cleaning something like this one, it's really good. So the baby quails are waiting already. They are nervous here downstairs. Have a look. It's not so much space here in this small carton here. I was also thinking if I should sit them in the sand bath, but they don't know it yet. And I think the smallest one are too small for it. So I can leave it on the ground here, because this is becoming the deep litter here. Let's take a look inside. Okay, it's good. So we can put the newspaper here inside. This is the box where I have them inside, the baby tissues. I think they remember this this box, because it is the box where we put them first inside. Okay, I need my second hand, one moment. Hey! No. Oh. So I put all the baby quails back now. And I have made the remaining food here on different places, so everyone can get something, especially the small one, the yellow one here. And because this one looks already better than the yellow one here, maybe you can see the difference between them, this one and this one. So this black behind and the small yellow one here in the front, they are the youngest. But I think this one here is already getting bigger than this one here. So this is my worry child here. So I have to make the food dispenser and water dispenser fresh now. One moment, please. And here we go. The things are fresh now. Hey, boys and girls. I need to make a screw here inside so they cannot always push it on the so they cannot push it all the time here, because they use it as for hiding. So one moment, can I do this? Do it like this here? One moment, I have to try it. If I do it like that, then it's It's maybe working. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, I need some water. One moment, I need some water. So now I have to make the water here inside. So now I turn it around and put it inside. Oh, they are not happy that it's only water and not instead of the food, but it's okay. One moment, boys and girls. Go away. So I think I will put only one of the ice cube makers here inside. Oh, they are interested in the stone too here. Okay, I have to make it with 2 hands here. Go, 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 go. Otherwise this is falling down. So this is the remaining water I have here. And now I put the food here inside for them. So I have to refill it too. It's already getting down. So this one is the same one here. Making it on top, and then sorry, this was my finger. And then I put it here inside. Look, so they can take it out. I really have to look for another one so they can have 2 places for food. And so that this doesn't happen all the time. Okay, maybe I will also do another board here on top so they cannot jump out that easy. And yeah, so this is fresh now. Ja. Lass mal sehen hier, komm. Kommt das? Ihr sollt da nicht drin reinstehen. Yeah, it's coming out something. Okay, I just wanted to be sure that they can get the food. I have to mix food again, so because at the moment I only have the small pellets here. Maybe you can see it here on top. And so I have to mix it that it's small enough for the smallest too. Yeah, this was my little video for today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give a subscription, a thumb up, and of course hit the bell button for further notifications and videos. And yeah, till next time. Bye.